Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to explain about how to interface a 7-segment display with Arduino microcontroller. First, you are going to design a circuit. After that, you are going to write the program. So, for designing a circuit, first we need the Arduino microcontroller. So, go to the type the keyword, type Arduino and select Arduino UNO microcontroller. Next, type 7-segment. In some segment, there are various types of displays available. First, we are going to see about common cathode display. There is a common anode display. Next one is single digit, 2-digit, 4-digit, 6-digit, 8-digit, like that. Various types are available. Now we are going to see a first single digit 7-segment display. Common cathode, I am going to select common cathode. Now I am going to connect the pin. First, pin number 8, I am going to connect A. Connect all the pins. There are 7 segments are there. This is called as A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So the totally 7 segments are there. This pin number is called as A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A is connected to 8, B segment is connected to 7, C is connected to 6, D is connected to 5, E is connected to 4, F is connected to 3, 2 is connected to G. Next, I am going to connect pin number 9 as common. So here it is called as common cathode connection. So if you are selected the common cathode, means we got to give a low signal at pin number 9. Then only you will get a display. If it is a common anode connection, we got to give a positive supply. This is all about the connection of 7-segment display. Next, you are going to write the program in Arduino microcontroller. Now I am going to write the program for 7-segment display. There are 8 pins are there. So the 9th pin is connected to common terminal. Like that, you have to initialize the other pin also. Next, pin number 8 is connected to 7-segment display. A segment. 7 is connected to segment B. Segment C. Initialize all the pins. All the 8 pins I have initialized. Pin number 8, 7 segment A, B 7, C 6. So already in the proteus we have connected the pin number 9 to common terminal, 8 to A segment, 7 to B segment. So I have initialized here. So these are variables. So these variables are integer. Next, this 8 pins, whether it is an input pin or output pin, we are going to initialize now. So all the pins are output pin. So pin mode common comma output. So like that you have to initialize for other pins in the void setup function. If you write input here, it will act as an input pin. So the 8 pins we have initialized as an output pin. Next I am going to display 0. For that I am going to write the program digital write inside the bracket common comma low high means 1, low means 0. I'm going to initialize segment A as high. B is high. Little right means it will write the high value in the C segment. It will write 0 in the common terminal. I'm going to display 0. So I want to display 0. So I am making a segment C as G as low and remaining all the terminals as high. Since it is a common Bluetooth connection, in common terminals, you are taking a low signal. If it is a common anode connection, you are taking a high signal. For that, verify the program. After compile, copy the link. Now click the Arduino board, double click, paste the file path, give OK. Next, play the button. So now we can see the display. There's some, we can check the connection. 2 is connected to 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. So we can check the program. Here one mistake is there. Instead of 3, I am written as F. Now we can verify the program. Copy the file path. Double click the Arduino board. Remove the already given file path. Now we can get 0. This is the method to display the value. We can display any values. Now example I given 0. Like that you can display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any numbers we can give. Suppose I am going to display 8. So I want to do small changes. So here the G is low. I am making as high. If I make high, so what means all the LEDs are on. So we'll get the value 8. Click the verify button. Copy the file path. Now we can see the 8. Like that we can display the different values. So this is called as common cathode display. Next I am going to explain about common anode display. In common anode display there is only one change. In the pin number 9 it is connected to the common terminal. So in the common terminal we are given as low signal. That is called as ground. Now I am going to give an high signal. That is called as 5 volt. Common anode connection means all the LEDs common anode terminal is connected to an 5 volt. That is called as a common anode connections. Common cathode means the LEDs there are two terminals. One is called as anode, another is cathode. Cathode is connected as common and it is connected to the ground. So this is the small change. But you have to change the 7 segment display because this is the common anode connections. Go to keywords. Seven segment. So you have to select the common anode connection. This is called as common anode connection. 5 volt is connected to the common terminal. Next pin number 9 no need. Pin number 8 is connected to A. Pin number 7 is connected to B. Either connect all the pins. Connection is over. Now I am going to run the program. So I want to do some changes in the program. So I want to display the value 8. Already I displayed the value 8. The same value I am using. So now we can see what is the result. In this program, here there is no need of this particular pin. Just I am removing that one. because I am connected to a positive supply. So segment C I am making as low. So now we can see the output. So initially if you do like this, what will happen means we will get the value 0. Now you can see in the common anode connection, it will be opposite. You can see the output. So now you can see the same value I am given for common cathode means what will happen means except G, all the remaining LEDs are on. Common cathode connection. In common anode connection, only G will be on, the remaining all is off. What is the meaning means here, if you give 1 means the LED will be off, 0 means on. That is called as common anode connection. Common cathode connection means 1 means on means 0 means off. So like that we can, this is called as a single segment display. We can use 2 digits, 4 digit, 10 digit like that. Various types of display is available. You can use other type also.